Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted data from Google Sheets. If you've accidentally removed important information from your spreadsheet, don't panic. Google Sheets keeps a complete history of all changes, which means you can roll back to any previous version and restore your lost data. Let's walk through this recovery process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where you can access all your Google Workspace applications and files. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you need to recover the deleted data. This will open the file in the Google Sheets editor, giving you full access to all its features and settings. Now look towards the top of your screen and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your spreadsheet. From this menu, hover over Version History, which will reveal another set of options. Click on See Version History. This feature is the key to recovering your deleted data, as it shows you every saved version of your spreadsheet over time. When you click this option, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel displays a chronological list of all the versions of your spreadsheet, along with timestamps and the names of people who made changes. Take your time to browse through these versions and find the one that contains the data you want to recover. You can click on any version to preview what the spreadsheet looked like at that point in time. For example, in my case, I want to recover data that includes the text mode what it does. I'll scroll through the versions until I find one that shows this information. Once you've identified the correct version, click the three dots beside that version. This will open a small menu with additional options. From this menu, click Restore this version. This action tells Google Sheets that you want to revert your entire spreadsheet back to this particular point in time. A confirmation dialog will appear asking you to confirm this action. This is an important safety measure to prevent accidental changes. Click Restore to confirm. Your spreadsheet will immediately revert to the selected version and your deleted data will be recovered. The current version won't be lost either. It will simply become part of the version history, so you can always go back if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered your deleted data from Google Sheets using the version history feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.